Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund joins us now. Grayson, it is going to be quite the shift from today to tomorrow.
Exactly. So we are going to be kind of flipping between sunshine today to severe weather tomorrow. We will have a strong spring storm system just barreling across the upper Midwest, and this is going to bring along the threat for some severe weather. And we'll have all severe weather ingredients at play for these storms to develop mainly towards the later half of the day tomorrow, and all hazards will be on the table. This includes intense tornadoes, strong damaging winds, and large hail. But the question still remains on exact timing for everything and overall if these storms will be widespread. And so there's three main ingredients that you need for severe thunderstorms to form. That's lift, instability, and moisture. Again, we'll have all of those at play tomorrow, but another term that I wanted to mention is a cap. So a cap is a warm, stable layer of the atmosphere, and when we have that warmer air underneath that's trying to break through, one of two scenarios will occur. So if that cap holds and that warm air isn't able to break through, this will lead to areas staying dry, and we won't have to worry about any of those thunderstorms forming. But if it does break through that cap, well, that's when things will kind of make a turn for the worst and those thunderstorms will form. So starting with tonight, we do have some clouds that are continuing to build their way into the area, and late tonight and early tomorrow morning, that's when we'll have the chances for rain and storms increasing later tonight and into early tomorrow. We could have some lingering showers and storms early on tomorrow morning, but the midday time period is what we're going to be keeping a very close eye on, because if we have lingering cloud cover behind that system in the morning or those storms in the morning, this will help hold temperatures a little bit cooler and not allowing them to rise, and therefore that cap won't break. But if skies clear and temperatures do continue to make their way into those lower 80s, that cap will break, and that will lead to the chance for severe storms developing later tomorrow. And all hazards will be at play again. Like I said, we do have a level 4 out of 5 risk for severe storms along and north of Highway 20 with a level 3 risk for really most of the state. And all hazards will be at play. Winds 60 to 70 miles per hour, hail, large hail, golf ball size or larger, and tornadoes will all be possible. And any of these storms that do develop will be very fast moving, leaving little time to react. So make sure you're planning ahead, making sure you know your safe space, and having multiple ways to receive those warnings. So tonight into tomorrow morning, a chance for some scattered spotty showers and storms ahead of that warm front. Then that front will move through. The time frame that we're watching right now for severe storms is likely around or after 2 p.m. throughout the afternoon and into the evening ahead of that cold front. Once that cold front drops, we'll likely have another line of showers and storms developing right along with it. But after it moves through, it'll pull that severe threat along with it, pulling the cloud cover out, and then we should dry out and get some sunshine as we head into the day on Tuesday. So make sure you're keeping an eye on the forecast tomorrow for any of those storms that do develop. We'll have highs in the lower 80s tomorrow with that chance for storms later in the day. We dry out for Tuesday, temperatures a bit cooler in the 60s. Another chance for widespread rain coming Wednesday into Thursday. Then we dry out and get some sunshine to wrap up the week.